Guys, all going, man. You're tuned into Click React, and today we're going to be looking at unbelievable moments caught on camera. Guys, if you're new to the channel, man, hit that sub button, drop a like, and let me know what you think about these moments that we're about to see, man. We're just going to get right into it.
Has had those
Oh, my boy thinks, my boy out here thinking that's his twin.
moments in which something happened that if you were to tell someone, they
Twin
probably
flame.
wouldn't believe it. But thanks to everyone having cameras nowadays, we get to see those
Facts.
moments more often. At the Blancpain GT Series race, the track happened to be wet because of the weather, and well, one of the cars simply couldn't stop spinning.
And there's Owen Moller-Madsen runs wide and
Man, has to
spins,
put on the gas.
spins. Look at him go.
That
That's
ballet
on a wet
time.
track for you, goodness me. That must be a world record of pirouettes.
A completely unbelievable moment happened at a baseball game when the announcer managed to catch the foul ball headed to the booth
Oh, shit.
while actively being on call.
Double-digit
What is
wins
their
on the young
heads?
season, the 1-1. Cordulo swings and fouls it off towards the broadcast booth, and I make the catch.
There are
Oh,
some
that's
places in the
funny.
world in which we simply can't believe they exist. An example of this is a glass water slide at 200 meters high in Mount
Wow.
Laojun, and
What
it's
the
the only
fuck?
one of its kind, and it's completely breathtaking.
Yeah, that shit do look crazy. Oh, wow. That's tough.
When security at a train station were confused about how the glass door broke, they decided to check the
Mm.
CCTV, which was even more confusing. An unbelievable
that's a
footage
strong
to watch
knee.
is this massive piece of ice breaking off a glacier, in
Oh,
which one of the
sending up,
smaller
okay.
structures shoots out of the water,
Oh, that's
several
crazy.
feet before collapsing.
Yo, nature is actually scary as fuck, because look at the waves that this shit's about to slap this ship with.
A not-so-known
Oh,
fact
hell
is that
no.
gorillas can pick up on some very specific,
That's one thing
a
I
very
do not play
WTF
with.
moment
I'm not playing with none of these big ass
to
animals.
watch is a gorilla grabbing a hat from a woman and then putting it in his head.
My boy said he want a snapback. I'm fixing that
A
hat.
bizarre,
I'm dead.
unexpected moment at an NBA game happened when Marcus Morris got frustrated
Oh,
and decided to sneakily hit Justin Anderson's head with the ball. And well, he obviously got ejected seconds after.
Okay, so he's looking at the elbow, and now watch him.
Boy said off the heezy. Bop.
Even though now with the pandemic,
found
open
his twin.
buffets are definitely not a good idea, there are still reasons not to trust open
Yeah,
buffets.
'cause people are
At a
nasty.
supermarket in
Oh,
Chicago,
no.
a man was caught taking a sip of the soup before deciding if he actually wants it.
There's another way you could have done that, bro.
It's no secret that bears aren't the most friendly animals. A terrifying moment
Oh,
for a skier
shit.
happened when he didn't realize a bear was chasing him from the distance while he was going down the mountain. Luckily, the
Oh.
bear ended up getting distracted and stopped chasing him.
I wonder what those people were thinking when they saw that shit. Did anybody even say anything to him? The fact that he didn't notice was the good thing. Because if he did, he probably would have panicked and fell.
Mountain goats, thanks to their hooves, have the ability to what looks like defy gravity. In this crazy video to watch, they find their need for salt so overwhelming that they're willing to climb a dam in order to get it, and watching them climb doesn't make
This
sense
is
how it's
wild.
possible.
Oh.
At the Miss Teen USA, a
That's how it
jaw-dropping
works.
moment happened when one of the
She looked
models
like
was
Britney
asked why
Spears.
does she think most Americans can't locate the United States on a map, trying to prompt a response about the lack of geography in the education system. But well, the model went a different way.
Recent polls have shown a fifth of Americans can't locate the U.S. on a world map.
Because they're
Why do you
idiots.
think this is?
That U.S. Americans are unable to do so because some people out there in our nation don't have maps.
In Montenegro, a super weird phenomena happened
Good to
after a
know.
heavy rain, which basically made a tree turn into a water fountain, which lasted for several days, because the added pressure pumps water up the roots.
Oh.
With
Wouldn't that tree
streamers
just
having
die?
to focus on the chat,
shit, game shit.
gameplay, and that everything's running perfectly, it can be a lot to keep up.
Oh,
When a
here we
Twitch
go.
streamer was celebrating her
She lit
birthday,
that
she
bitch
didn't
on
realize that the
fire.
candle was right below her microphone.
Oh my god.
Even though usually NBA players are
Like, this
incredibly
person, holy
focused on the
fuck.
game, everyone gets distracted sometimes. A funny moment to watch happened when the cameras caught LeBron James and fellow teammates playing the water bottle challenge
That's
during
so
the game.
disrespectful.
Unsuccessfully, I might add. Well, Kyrie Irving just missed. Here goes James, and nope. Oh,
What looked like it was going to be
That's
a
so
very bad
disrespectful.
situation for a man attempting to zip line across a lake turns out to be a good one when an act of human kindness happened, and a tourist decided to help him out in the coolest way possible.
Oh shit. That's
Despite
cool.
birds not having the reputation of being intelligent,
That's an
the
ugly-ass
bird brain
bird.
is actually incredibly efficient. An unbelievable moment to watch happen
is
when a
this?
giant condor flew in to thank a
Isn't that
veterinarian
fucking
who nursed him back to health a few
Tranquil?
weeks ago.
Tranquil? Tranquil? Condor? What the fuck's a condor? I'm pretty sure that's a fucking, yeah, strange.
Because of the major winter storms going on this past week in some parts of the U.S., one of the cities sent a team of synchronized snowplows to clear the road for incoming traffic. And it's very satisfying to watch.
Yeah, that is clean still. They did their shit here, man.
An almost unreal footage to watch comes from a roller skater
Limbo?
that manages to pass under a gap the size of a soda bottle, and her flexibility is at another level.
Oh, hell no. How the fuck
During
you do that?
Brazil's national team training, Neymar and his teammates decided to celebrate Coutinho's birthday by throwing an egg at
guys
him.
love
And
doing
well,
stupid
things
shit,
quickly escalated from there.
That is so annoying, bro. Like, the man's just at practice.
When a man was
That
at
is
his
so
job
annoying.
cleaning the floor, he decided it was a good time to show his next level ghost fighting skills.
Now he's gonna have to sweep all that up again.
During Christmas time, it's not uncommon to see many houses
hell
having
no.
decorations up. But a
That
family
light bill.
decided to take it to another level by
Light bill's
installing
ridiculous.
thousands of lights in their house and creating an amazing lights show, which left neighbors in disbelief.
Yeah, that shit is ridiculous. If that was my neighbor, I'd be so annoyed.
A kind of
but-
unbelievable but hilarious moment happened at Billy's show when they were doing interviews on the street with Emma Stone. And well, one of the people being interviewed was confused with her and Emma Watson.
Favorite Emma Stone movie?
Harry Potter.
Oh. That's Emma Watson.
At the Pac-12 championships,
Disrespectful.
UCLA athlete Kaylin Ohashi managed to make an amazing routine in which she made flips and bounces look effortless and managed to score an almost perfect 10 at 9.950.
These girls do be going crazy.
Even though they're not too common, flying squirrels
thought that was a
actually
UFO.
exist and are able to glide at crazy heights. A 1 in a million moment happened when a climber encountered one of them.
Oh shit! Can you imagine if he flew out on his
In
face?
some Asian countries, there's a traditional dance named the lion dance, in which multiple people get into a
Now, how the
costume.
fuck do they
And
do
well,
this?
the dance is extremely hard to pull off.
Oh.
Here's 2 dancers during practice, and their coordination is incredible.
Oh wow. Oh, that shit is crazy. Like, this been not working for tall though. I don't think.
A hilarious moment during a court hearing over Zoom happened when one of the lawyers accidentally had a cat filter on. And well, he obviously had to make sure his fellow Zoom member knew he wasn't actually a cat.
I'm prepared to go forward with it.
This
I'm
can't be
here
real.
live. I'm not a cat.
This man said here, I'm here live. I'm not a cat. Are you an idiot?
Even though parasailing is generally safe, there are
Dangerous.
some
That
things
shit
you
is
simply
dangerous.
can't control. In Alabama, 2 friends went parasailing, and from the distance, they saw they were going to land pretty close to a shark. Luckily, nothing happened, but probably a very scary moment for both of them.
That is a shark. Wow, just right under us. Holy crap.
Why wouldn't that person just speak? Oh well, they wouldn't know.
It's always cool to see when NBA fans make half-court shots for hundreds of thousands of
One
dollars.
of my boys just
But
tried
an
to do that shit, he
unbelievable
missed every
moment
shot.
happened when a couple was invited to attempt to make a shot for $500,000. And well, a 1 in a million moment happened.
No. Did it fall? Oh, he made it. Better count that
A
shit.
very scary moment caught on camera happened in
I don't
Louisiana,
know why I keep
in which
thinking these things
massive
are
electrical
UFO
sparks went across power lines.
Oh wow. That shit is dangerous. They probably
Being
have no
able to
power for
see
like
in
2
third
weeks.
person seems good in theory, but when a team of professional football players got VR headsets to see themselves from above, things didn't go too well.
Yo, what the fuck is going on?
A
This
cool
is funny. I don't
invention
wanna
to
try
see are
that.
these sand curtains, in which basically you flip the glass, and in a few seconds you can get the complete privacy curtains offer.
Oh wow. Bro, some shit is out here that's really cool. I would definitely